This year is the 7th warmest since records began in 1850, with the trend to weather extremes and the impact of storms such as Typhoon Haiyan in the Philippines aggravated by rising sea levels. World Meteorological Organization Deputy Secretary-General Jeremiah Lengosa said a build-up of man-made greenhouse gases in the atmosphere meant a warmer future was now inevitable. The WMO, giving a provisional overview, said the first 9 months of the year tied with the same period of 2003 as 7th warmest, with global land and ocean surface temperatures 0.48 degrees above the 1961 to 1990 average. Lengosa said 2013 was likely to end among the top 10 warmest years since records began. He added that individual tropical cyclones such as Haiyan could not be directly attributed to the effects of climate change.
We cannot at this stage attribute a single typhoon to climate change. What we do know, of course, is that climate change affects sea level and sea level rise. Secondly, climate change affects ocean surface temperatures. In this context, as you would know, these storms are fueled by warmer oceans over which they form and over which they pass. The jury is still out on whether, in fact, tropical cyclones will become more frequent in the future, but certainly we can see the extremities of the storms are only increasing because the conditions under which they are created are changing.
Other extremes this year have included record heat waves in Australia and flooding in several areas including Sudan and large areas of Europe. Japan had its warmest summer on record. In September, the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change raised the probability that mankind was the main cause of warming since 1950 to at least 95% from a previous assessment of 90% in 2007. It predicted impacts including more heat waves, downpours and rising sea levels.